Hey guys, now this is different. It's going to be a different style of video, a different kind of vlog that I'm trying to bring to my channel. Something that I've had thought about. It's been an idea, it's been a concept for a very long time, since my first brand, ARiiE Beauty, rest in peace, for my cosmetic line and website. Yeah, so if you guys are new here, yes, I did have my own line of lashes. I still do have my own line of lashes. We're under rigorous rebranding, and I can't really talk about why I had to rebrand. If you know, you know. There are NDAs involved, but it has been extremely taxing. So this series is just going to be me being extremely vulnerable, extremely open about the entire process. Not exactly the fine details that I can't talk about in that NDA, but just bringing my brand back and how long it's taken me and everything that I've had to and I'm going through right now, because it is I've had lots and lots of hurdles. So if you guys are interested in this, let me know in the comments down below. Like the video, but it is not easy. I just want to start by saying I did everything the right way the first time, right? I did everything the right way. I didn't just open an Etsy store. I didn't just put up a Shopify website. I went through the process of registering a trademark, getting my vendor license, getting my export license. Like, I did it all. I have my LLC, my articles of organization, my formation documents. I have my, employer ID number. I registered with Dun & Bradstreet. Like, I did everything, and to have to start over was extremely heartbreaking. And what was even worse is that it has been taking so long. So my rebrand began in 2021. I don't remember which month. I'll check it. 2021. Okay, it's 2026. I filed for my new trademark in 2022. At time of recording, I still not have registered a trademark. I have been hit with hurdle after hurdle, respond to office action, going through final publication, notice of allowance, hiring attorneys. I have a trademark attorney, which is different than the first one that had to advise me on the best course of action for my first trademark. And you know what? It has been a lot. It has been costly, but I am back in the process of getting new inventory, revamping my site, revamping the products that I have. So the lash styles are going to be the same. I am going through different vendors and working with different people this time around, mainly because when my phone completely erased, if you have me on Instagram, you know that I said if you have my number, text me your name. I lost all my contacts, but I lost like everything. I was only able to actually restore my main phone because of my business phone. So Apple makes it really easy to set up a phone from an existing phone, because I just did not have any of the backups. I didn't have anything. I was able to keep whatever was in my iCloud, thank God, because I do use a Mac for everything. Like my editing computer, we're at my desk by the way guys, sorry. My computer, and I'm editing, so my desktop, my phones, my laptop now. I've always had a Mac. So it's just a lot easier for me to connect my devices that way, and it definitely saved me. So when I got a new phone, I restored it from the restored phone, whatever, but I lost contacts with my vendors, with a lot of people that I worked with before, mainly with my lashes, after we went through the whole process of making sure the styles were perfect, making sure the packaging was great. And to that I say, keep good records. I'm not going to ever let that happen again. When I did everything to try to reach out, like going through emails that I had from invoices, like keep good records, keep your invoices. If you have the number somewhere, write it down. Technology fails people. I do have in the back of my planner a section for contacts. I will be writing down important contacts there that I don't already have. I include name, phone number, addresses. For vendors and for my business, I will also include email addresses just to make sure that I have it. Technology fails you sometimes, which is why I don't rely heavily on, I don't rely on AI at all. I don't. I make a funny picture here and there of Barris, but like, I don't. So we're back at it. I reconnected with 2 of my vendors for some smaller products, right? And one product that I've been dying to bring on. I literally had the sample since 2021 and I use it all the time. If you guys remember my travel bag, my TSA travel bag, I use it on every single trip. It does still have my old brand name on it, but it has literally held me down every single trip. I keep all of my makeup and skincare in there. I know a lot of people can put other things in there, obviously, but it's really, really good for that because of the material. It's very easy to clean out. And I finally will be bringing that to you guys in 3 colors. Obviously blue, hello. But I kept the girlies in mind, the blue girlies, the pink girlies, and the purple. The purple is actually really pretty. The sponges are still gonna, you can't tell me it's not the best shaped sponge for your makeup needs, but I'm also adding a purple in there, and of course the lash styles are coming back as similar. They're all similar styles to my previous one. Very little differences. The quality still the same. You know I don't play that. And I know a lot of you guys talk about my lashes. So for those who haven't experienced it, it's coming. I'm working on packaging. I'm working on like extra, like just extras, because I'm a frequent shopper on Etsy. I love the customer experience I get on Etsy. I do. I love opening my package to it beautifully wrapped, to little extras in there. Like I recently bought a saving challenge binder, and they gave me 2 little extra small saving challenges, like just little cards, and that's enough. Okay, so I know that you guys know I'm big on packaging, so I'm really working that out. The only thing like right now that really made me want to talk about it is dealing with some vendors are very frustrating. One vendor I was trying to work with, a new vendor, which is why building relationships and keeping those previous relationships is important, just could not deliver what I wanted. Just from the design, it's just not what I wanted. Didn't have options that I liked, so I requested a refund. They wanted to keep the sale, but it just wasn't like, you're not offering anything. So are they holding my refund hostage? Yeah, I initiated the refund. They're saying that they're going to issue it, but it's just sitting there. Just give it back. They charged me $80 for the mock-up, and I'm like, that's fine. $80 when I'm still getting back hundreds? Yeah, it's okay. I don't think you deserve the $80 for a mock-up. I don't, but I'm not going to tell anyone what their time is worth. Another vendor gave me mock-up for free immediately on the spot. So I'm like, yeah, let's do this. We got this. So that was annoying, and it kind of like, they're really just going to be holding it until like they are forced to give me the refund, and that's really frustrating because I have other products that I need to purchase, and it's not a little bit of money, and I'm not made of money. I'm not. So that's kind of been really frustrating, and I'm just gonna have to wait that out. But I do, like, everything's in production right now for the products that I will be dropping first. If you guys know, well, a lot of people don't, I have been dying to drop my lipsticks. I have a line of liquid lipsticks that I love. I use them all the time. Just the quality, the colors that I've chosen, and the names are always special to me. You guys know that my lash names are based on things and people in my life, and so are the lipsticks. And it's kind of like, come on, I need that. So when the launch is up and the site is good, that would be my next big investment, is the lipsticks. That relationship I have with my account manager with that company. I still have the information, thank God. But that's what I said, guys. If you take anything from this, is to keep good records, keep invoices, keep all documentation, get your ducks in a row first. Now, one thing that has made this second time around easier is that I did keep good records. I keep my business binder. I probably have a vlog setting up my business binder just with like the inserts and just explaining what I have in them. I plan to do this with my cousin Cheyenne. You know, she also has a business, and I've kind of been, I'm not mentoring her, I'm kind of guiding her through the processes that I've had to go through, because it is a very different process to open a business and an LLC in New York. There are rules or guidelines or licenses that you need to have depending on, you know, what you're doing. Like I charge sales tax. I have a sales tax, like certificate of authority, you know? And that sales tax license, certificate of authority, also help you if you're purchasing products to resell. Keep that in mind. You can get a little tax break for that, because you'll get charged sales tax based on where you live. But if you're also reselling it, then you know. Just listen. I know a little something about a little something. Not just YouTube. I'm not just a pretty face. Look at the skin. But yeah, so I have more stuff to come. I just wanted to start this first one off. It's kind of long, kind of talky, just to bring you through the process. But the next few videos will be picking up some inventory from my mailbox, because these are going to be big bags. I think I have the first set of like 100 lashes, over 200 bags, lash applicators, like sponges. Like, these are not going to be small boxes. We're starting, 100 is not a lot really, but it is just me. The Instagram is now going to go up. I have really good people on my side as far as like creatives and photographers that are really going to help me out. So I'm going to be putting a lot of work into just growing my business and my brand. And you guys know I promote myself. I sure do, because I use my product, I believe in my product, and I want to really send out like a few influencer boxes to those that I know, like small creators. I already have one in mind. So Vanessa J, if you see this, I'll be reaching out. And yeah, so that's gonna be it. I need to edit, but I just want to talk to you guys, do something new. You guys are going to see different content on my channel, and everything is going to be, it's a journey to rebuild, to rebrand. And if you are in the process of rebuilding and rebranding, if you're starting your business, if you have any questions about how to get in contact with, like how to look for vendors, I know a lot of these boss babes sell you vendor lists, which is not a bad idea if you want to purchase a vendor list. If there are items on there that you want to sell, you want to customize it, you're going to private label route. And even private labels, don't get deterred by a private label. They, depending on how much you spend with them, depending on how much you are willing to spend for their MOQ, you can get a fully customizable product that is unlike anybody else's. Trust and believe that. So don't be deterred. Just a lot of research, but that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully the mic is picking up clearly, and hopefully I can answer any questions for you guys. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a journey. I've been stressed out, not sleeping, and just trying to get things done. I've been working behind the scenes for over a year when things started to pick up with my trademark process. If you guys have questions about the trademark process, if you guys are wondering if you should file a trademark, there's a difference between a federal trademark and a state trademark. Then there's like global. It's a lot of things, and just know that once you apply for a trademark, once anything is public record, trademark attorneys, scammers, they will be reaching out. So if you have any questions about any of this process, let me know in the comments down below. But that is it, guys. We are out of here. Thank you for watching and tuning in and listening to me yap during this yapathon. Subscribe.